Nina Caldwell hadn't meant to spend the weekend alone. Her parents were out of town, and their old Victorian house, creaky, isolated, a relic from another century, felt too big, too quiet. The first night, a storm rolled in. Lightning flashed against the windows. She bundled up with a blanket and movies, trying to ignore how the walls seemed to breathe. At 2:13 a.m., she heard a knock. Just one, sharp, then silence. When she checked the porch, no one was there. But when she turned around, the hallway light was on, and at the far end, for just a second, she saw a girl, pale, watching, gone. The next day, she found a door in the attic she'd never noticed before, narrow, with a brass handle etched with a single symbol, an eye. It wasn't locked. Inside was a room with no windows, no light, just a mirror on the far wall and a small music box. When she opened the box, it played a lullaby, soft, haunting. The mirror fogged as if someone breathed on it. Then words appeared in the condensation. "Do you remember me?" She fled the attic. That night, the dreams started. A little girl, with hollow eyes, whispering her name, leading her through twisted hallways that didn't exist, saying again and again, "You let me out. Now I get to watch." Strange things happened. Mirrors showed reflections that didn't match. The music box played by itself. Her phone displayed old photographs of the house, with her in them, dated decades before she was born. She tried to leave, but the front door was gone, just a wall. The house had changed. It remembered, and it had chosen her. She found a hidden journal in the floorboards, pages filled with names, each one crossed out. All but one, Nina Caldwell. The house whispered to her. It showed her the others who had come before, each of them swallowed, each of them now part of the walls, watching, waiting. She made it to the attic one last time. The mirror was cracked, the music box broken. But behind the mirror was a second door, black, with the eye etched deeper now, bleeding rust. She could step through, become like the others, or she could stay and seal it. She whispered a name not hers. The door trembled. The house screamed, and then silence. The next morning, her parents found her asleep on the living room couch, dustless, cold, pale. She never spoke of it again. But sometimes when she passed a mirror, she saw a door behind her that wasn't really there, just for a second, waiting. If you enjoyed and want to hear more, please like and subscribe. It would really help me out. Thank you, and have a nice day.